Hi, and welcome back to today's morning report on Monday, the 2nd of November, with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's look at cable now, and we've got this PMI data for UK that came out much better than expected, and that's had an impact on sterling, big push higher. Although you would argue that again, it is now coming up to that resistance 55.10, and it's not really continuing. It's sort of failing, maybe. Um, Interesting that I said that we've had this sort of rally, sharp rally that we had on Friday. Big bull candle, move to the upside. Although, again, you've not really seen much much discernible improvement yet because you haven't broken out above 55.10. Look at the RSI, 60, up around that 60 point again. MACD line is fairly neutral. So it's not actually done too much yet that would suggest that you'd be back in the bulls, because certainly that resistance around 55.10 is a big level near term. Spent a week and a half trying to break through that and failed. And it's now obviously back up towards that level, or just backed off it actually initially. But it got to 55, pretty much 55 figure, and fallen away by 30 ticks. So it's still not really able to make that push yet on that resistance. Here we go on the hourly chart. You can see here that it's still got that resistance overhead. Now the momentum indicators are more positive and just sort of fallen away, and there is also support now. Whoops, wrong way. There is now obviously support with those old range lows, which sort of came in 54.15 area, which have been supporting the last sort of couple of days. But very interesting that we're sort of back into this band again now. So it'll be interesting to see what the sterling bulls can do. There's a big resistance there, 55.10 area. So can they make the breakout and move higher again? But there is an improved outlook, certainly following on from Friday and into today with those PMI numbers for the UK, but it hasn't yet made that breakout. So if it can make the break, then obviously it's going to move above there towards that 56.60 area. But until that is seen, until you see a decisive move above 55.10, then I think that we can't really be sort of going too bullish on sterling. But certainly an improving chart anyway. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thanks.